Drop It Youth! Now that you're ready to start the campaign, I've got a tip for you. Approach this with an action plan. I'll give you an example using my experience. Number 1, identify the problem. At my school, I noticed my peers would buy a bottle of water at lunch at the canteen every day, which amounts to more than 40,000 plastic bottles wasted every year. Number 2, identify the goal, methods, and needs. For the goal, get every student to pledge to no more plastic bottles and instead to use a reusable and the water fountains available at school. For the method, step number 1 is inform them. Make a presentation at assembly about plastic pollution and how their habits are contributing to it. Step 2, announce it. Announce your campaign and invite them to sign a pledge to say no more to plastic. Step 3, invite them. Set up a table during lunch and invite your peers to come by to sign a pledge. Step 4 is help them. Help them find where to buy a reusable bottle and remind them every day about changing their habits. Step 5 is to celebrate with them. At the end of the campaign, make an announcement at another assembly to share the number of pledges you collected and what an impact that has made. For needs, ask yourself, what are your resources in terms of people and things? Who runs the assembly? Who runs the school announcements? Would there be students or teachers interested in joining your campaign? Perhaps there's an eco club at your school. In terms of things, how are you going to put together this presentation? In a PowerPoint, a keynote, a Prezi, a video? And for the table, do you need to reserve this space on campus? And if so, who do you have to contact? There is not just one action plan. Find out what fits you. Until next time.